Today, we have got an exclusive first look at the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 and all the exciting upgrades it brings. There's plenty to uncover about Samsung's latest innovation in the foldable lineup, so if you're as excited as we are, hit that subscribe button and let's dive right in. First up, let's talk design. According to our sources, Samsung has refined the Z Fold 7 but kept the overall squared-off look, staying distinct from the new rounded S series. This squared aesthetic isn't just familiar to Galaxy Fold fans but also sets it apart from the curvier S series, marking it as a premium, professional device. Now, what's really exciting is the under-display cameras. Yes, for the first time, we're getting under-display cameras on both the internal and external displays. This means a full-screen experience with no visible camera cutouts, so you're getting that truly immersive look inside and out. And it's not just a sleek look. Samsung's been improving these under-display technologies, and the Z Fold 7 is set to offer cameras that perform even better in face unlock, video calls, and, yes, those high-resolution selfies. No compromises on functionality here. Speaking of cameras, Samsung is making some smart decisions by using the same camera setup as the upcoming Galaxy S25 Plus. We're looking at a 50MP primary shooter, a 12MP ultra-wide, and a 10MP telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom. With tweaks to improve ultra-wide and telephoto capabilities, we're in for some stunning shots without a bulky camera module. Rather than a raised camera bump, the lenses are now seamlessly integrated into the back panel, giving the rear a smooth, modern finish. It's a sophisticated look that blends elements from the Z Fold 6 and the S24 Ultra. Moving to the display, the Z Fold 7 is set to feature Samsung's best screen yet. We have a 7.7-inch 120Hz dynamic AMOLED foldable display on the inside and a 6.4-inch 120Hz cover screen. Both will be brighter and more accurate than ever, and Samsung's reduced those bezels even further. And yes, that crease. Samsung's applied a new hinge and protective display tech, aiming to finally eliminate the crease altogether. If they pull it off, the Z Fold 7 will be the first foldable to give a flawless, uninterrupted screen experience. Inside, we're getting a powerhouse setup. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip will be running the show, paired with a whopping 16GB of RAM and up to 1TB of storage with UFS 4.1. This setup is built for high-speed performance and multitasking like no other. The battery is a solid 4,500 mAh, with faster charging on both wired and wireless options. Connectivity will also be top-notch, featuring 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.3, and NFC support. Running on Samsung's One UI 7 based on Android 15, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is going to be a seamless, connected experience across devices. So, when can you get your hands on it? The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 is expected to launch in July 2025, with a starting price of around $1,900 or £1,800 in the UK. Given its innovative display, flagship performance, and all the improvements, this price is right on par with Samsung's luxury foldable lineup. This is looking like the ultimate foldable. If Samsung truly perfects the display, not only making it brighter but also crease-free, then the Galaxy Z Fold 7 could easily set a new benchmark in the foldable market. But what about you? What feature of the Z Fold 7 are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments, and if you're ready for more updates on the Z Fold 7 and the latest in tech, hit subscribe so you don't miss out.